level up your life, or how to make millions through selling the You've probably come across these sorts of videos. You know, the ones that promise to unlock your potential, move you into the 5, 6, 7 digit earnings bracket, get you out of the rat race, and put you in the enviable position of being able to quit your job and luxuriate in the wealth that you create.
What's the quickest way from 0 to 100 grand? I want to be giving out $1,000 bucks, but more importantly, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach someone to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Fastest way from 0 to 100 grand.
How to become a millionaire step by step. Today I'm going to teach you one of the most profound concepts that I've learned in my life that has helped me become a millionaire by the age of 27 and a multi-millionaire by the age of 30.
Is it possible to get rich starting from nothing? Of course you can. You don't have to be born into a rich family to be rich. You don't even have to be the smartest. Becoming a millionaire is the dream of many, but the reality of few. Yet, achieving economic success is not as difficult as you might think.
You've probably thought to yourself, why are these people telling me how to do this? Why aren't they just getting on with it themselves? What do they gain by unlocking their secret formula for me? You'd be right in asking these questions, and the answers are hidden in plain sight. Let me take you on a journey. I'll show you in 5 easy stages how you can set up an income generating enterprise with little to no expertise in the subject matter. And you will come to learn that the true wealth creation lies not in the subject matter, but purely in the how-to. A bit cryptic? Well, it won't be soon, and you'll discover the answers to those questions you've been asking. Let's you and I go on a journey together. We'll set up a business. Stage 1. Choose a subject matter. It doesn't really matter what, you're going to choose something that could potentially create wealth and value added. Let me give you some ideas. Base the subject matter on something topical, something fashionable, something that you keep seeing yourself when bombarded by online ads. Cryptocurrency is a good one. Healthy living and food are perennial favourites. The big online presences, eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, are great. Clothings, fashions, makeup, real estate, consulting, sales, the list is endless. Pick one and run with it. You're going to use the subject matter to create a dream, and you are going to share that dream with many people. Stage 2. Create materials to explain your method. What materials and what method? Well, start with a presentation, something that you can record and put onto social media. Ideally, you have some knowledge about the subject matter, but it really doesn't matter. Go online, Google the subject matter, look on YouTube, Twitter, follow those links and create that presentation. Still baffled? Well, as an aid, use the 5 W's, who, what, why, where, when, to title your slides, to describe how to sell the subject matter, who is involved, what you are selling, how to choose the right makeup, for example, how to sell those fashion brands too. Explain simple things like how to sell on eBay and how and when to purchase a cryptocurrency. This is just a taster. All the answers you promised aren't here, but they are enough to get somebody started and hooked. If you're still struggling, hiring somebody to help you. You see, the real money is not going to be made from following the course, it's going to be made in selling the course. Things becoming clear yet? Stage 3. Promote the method. Create some marketing materials, some adverts, a short video. Buy a basic website and copy your marketing materials on there. What you'll need to do is to say how you have made millions in your selected niche. Put some pictures of expensive cars that could be yours. Include some expensive property in the background that could be yours. Perhaps put an image of an expensive holiday destination that you could have gone on. Remember, you're selling a dream. People could have what you have if only they follow your course and method. A good idea is to show people that they are just like you. So explain how you had a difficult time before you followed your method. You had debts, you had a boring job, you were unemployed for a while, you struggled just to survive. If they are like you, then there is more chance that they will empathise and pay attention. You'll tell them that you're going to share your method for success with them. They can be like you. Point them to your taster training course, you know, the one that you prepared in stage 2. This is free after all, and this is you sharing your success with them. Now comes the sell, your enhanced training package. This is priced probably in thousands of dollars, but because you have a limited schedule, you can offer it to them for a huge discount. You've created a burning urgency. They have to act right now to get the discount. How could they be so foolish so as not to buy it? They can use a credit card, take out a loan, it doesn't matter. They just have to act now. Stage 4. Take the money. By now, you've sold a couple of courses. Some money is starting to come in, but now is not the place to stop.
1, 2, 3, applause!
People are hooked. Use that to generate more money. Put another course out on your website or advertise it on social media. Send the details to the emails you've gathered from stage 3, and don't stop there. The real way to make millions from online courses is to create an entire ladder of products. You want to upsell your students as much as possible. Get your students hooked on your products. You never tell them the truth. The reason that you're so rich is because of all the products you've sold them. You've probably never even followed your own course in the first place. Stage 5. Sell the dream. Stage 5 should be an overarching stage that you will apply to stages 1 through 4. You need to sell a dream. Include testimonials. Talk about leaving your job. References to the money that others have made through your program, working from home or on the beach. What is it that you are getting? How will you improve your wealth? Well, if you've been listening to this video and following any of these courses or business opportunities and you've got this far, then you've probably started to see where the problem lies. You'll be understanding that you haven't really been paying your money to unlock the secret to wealth. Instead, at each stage of the process, you'll find that the promise is just one more level away, a level you'll need to pay for to realise. A bit like looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. You keep moving in that direction, but never get there. No one has really taught you anything. They've just provided more and more hooks to keep you coming back. It is these content providers who've made the money. Fighting back. Well, by now you've probably thought to yourself, yes, there's something wrong with this, isn't there? And you'd be right. There are, fortunately, a growing number of online presences, particularly on YouTube, that are exposing these fake businesses. Sites like CoffeeZilla, DataDash and James Jarney, who all spend their time exposing these sorts of enterprises. What I've described above is not technically illegal, but in my opinion there is a serious question to be asked about how moral it is. Conclusion. Just because something is labelled an online course doesn't mean that it is just there to take your money and provide little to nothing in return. There are excellent courses online. The ability to learn anything from cooking to advanced math, and all for free, is truly revolutionary. In fact, I learned how to edit and to create this video and provide the voiceover from just such courses. To me, those how-to videos were in fact free. If you are going to go down the route of providing online content on how to, make sure that you deliver something tangible to your followers. They should learn something new. And the reasons that they will come back is not because you've promised something impossible, but because they've learned something and are keen to learn more, something that you can deliver. If someone is asking you for thousands of dollars to follow their cause, please think twice. The biggest red flag should be to ask, why are they charging you to follow them instead of executing their own methodology themselves? The answer by now, I hope, is clear. If this sort of video interests you, then you might find the video I did on MLM, multi-level marketing companies, just up your street. Some of the FOMO, fear of missing out pressures you've heard about here, are also used to promote those. I'll leave a link to this at the end of this video. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, you won't miss out on future videos when they're released. Bye for now.